How to use the word come in Tagalog. Example 1. Halika rito. Halika rito. Meaning, come here. Come here. Halika rito is commonly used with friends or with someone younger or lower than you in position. You should not use it with older people because you will sound rude. The polite way of asking someone to come to you is, punta po kayo rito. Punta po kayo rito. Please come here. Please come here. Next example. Lagi akong dumarating ng maaga sa mga meeting. Lagi akong dumarating ng maaga sa mga meeting. I always come early for meetings. I always come early for meetings. Sa wakas, natapos din ang trabaho. Sa wakas, natapos din ang trabaho. The work has finally come to an end. The work has finally come to an end. Galing siya sa isang kilalang pamilya. Galing siya sa isang kilalang pamilya. He comes from a well-known family. He comes from a well-known family. Muntik nang mabuwag ang banda. Muntik nang mabuwag ang banda. The band came very close to breaking up. The band came very close to breaking up. May kasamang mga baterya ang laruan. May kasamang mga baterya ang laruan. The toy comes complete with batteries. The toy comes complete with batteries. Sabi niya kasing lasa ng totoong hotdog, ang layo naman. Sabi niya kasing lasa ng totoong hotdog, ang layo naman. She said it tastes just like a real hot dog, but it doesn't even come close. She said it tastes just like a real hot dog, but it doesn't even come close. Lumuwang ang turnilyo. Lumuwang ang turnilyo. The screw came loose. The screw came loose. Sana hindi na lang tayo nagpunta rito. Sana hindi na lang tayo nagpunta rito. I wish we had never come here. I wish we had never come here. Sumama ka sa akin. Sumama ka sa akin. Come with me. Come with me. Pwede ba akong pumasok? Pwede ba akong pumasok? Can I come in? Can I come in? Saan ang galing ang batong ito? Saan ang galing ang batong ito? Where did this stone come from? Where did this stone come from? Para sa akin, laging nauuna ang pamilya. Para sa akin, laging nauuna ang pamilya. For me, family always comes first. For me, family always comes first. Kasalanan namin yon, kaya inamin namin. Kasalanan namin yon, kaya inamin namin. It was our fault, so we came clean about it. It was our fault, so we came clean about it. Pagliko namin sa kanto, lumitaw na ang Eiffel Tower. Pagliko namin sa kanto, lumitaw na ang Eiffel Tower. As we turned the corner, the Eiffel Tower came into view. As we turned the corner, the Eiffel Tower came into view. Pumupunta siya rito paminsan-minsan. Pumupunta siya rito paminsan-minsan. He comes here from time to time. He comes here from time to time. Babalik pa kaya ang aso ko? Babalik pa kaya ang aso ko? I wonder if my dog will ever come back. I wonder if my dog will ever come back. Madalas ka bang pumupunta rito? Madalas ka bang pumupunta rito? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Magsisimula ang palabas ng alas-6. Dumating kayo sa tamang oras. Magsisimula ang palabas ng alas-6. Dumating kayo sa tamang oras. The show starts at 6. Please come on time. The show starts at 6. Please come on time. Lumapit ka nga sa akin para mas marinig kitang mabuti. Lumapit ka nga sa akin para mas marinig kitang mabuti. Come closer to me so I can hear you better. Come closer to me so I can hear you better. Lagi siyang nakakaisip ng lahat ng klase ng palusot. Lagi siyang nakakaisip ng lahat ng klase ng palusot. He always comes up with all kinds of excuses. He always comes up with all kinds of excuses. Ang isang makabuluhang awit ay nagmumula sa puso. Ang isang makabuluhang awit ay nagmumula sa puso. A meaningful song comes from the heart. A meaningful song comes from the heart. Galing kami rito kahapon. Galing kami rito kahapon. We came here yesterday. We came here yesterday. Bigla na lang nabuhay ang makina. Bigla na lang nabuhay ang makina. The engine suddenly came to life. The engine suddenly came to life. Gusto mo bang sumama? Gusto mo bang sumama? Would you like to come along? Would you like to come along? Pasok ka, bukas naman ang pinto. Pasok ka, bukas naman ang pinto. Come in, the door is open. Come in, the door is open. Baka makatulong ang lanseta. Baka makatulong ang lanseta. A pocket knife may come in handy. A pocket knife may come in handy. Sabi ko sa kanya pumunta ng alas-9. Sabi ko sa kanya pumunta ng alas-9. I told her to come at 9 o'clock. I told her to come at 9 o'clock. Dumating na ba ang dyaryo? Dumating na ba ang dyaryo? Has the newspaper come yet? Has the newspaper come yet? Pakakasalan ko si Henry kahit anong mangyari. Pakakasalan ko si Henry kahit anong mangyari. I'll marry Henry come what may. I'll marry Henry come what may. Bakit hindi ka pupunta sa party? Bakit hindi ka pupunta sa party? How come you're not going to the party? How come you're not going to the party? Lakas ng TV, hindi niya ako namalayang pumasok. Ang lakas ng TV, hindi niya ako namalayang pumasok. The TV was so loud, he didn't notice me come in. The TV was so loud, he didn't notice me come in. Dumarating ang tren ng alas-singko. Dumarating ang tren ng alas-singko. The train comes in at 5 o'clock. The train comes in at 5 o'clock. Merong 5 kulay ang paldang ito. Merong 5 kulay ang paldang ito. This skirt comes in 5 colors. This skirt comes in 5 colors. Pagkatapos ng 3 taon, lumabas din sa wakas ang katotohanan. Pagkatapos ng 3 taon, lumabas din sa wakas ang katotohanan. After 3 years, the truth finally came out. After 3 years, the truth finally came out. Lalabas sa Hulyo ang bagong album ng BTS. Lalabas sa Hulyo ang bagong album ng BTS. The new album of BTS will come out in July. The new album of BTS will come out in July. Tingin ko, sisipunin ako. Tingin ko, sisipunin ako. I think I've got a cold coming on. I think I've got a cold coming on. Halika na, bumaba ka na rito. Halika na, bumaba ka na rito. Come down here now. Come down here now. Maraming puno ang natumba noong bumagyo. Maraming puno ang natumba noong bumagyo. Many trees came down when the storm hit. Many trees came down when the storm hit. I'm sure you've noticed in our example sentences that the word come in Tagalog is usually translated into pumunta, dumating, or lumapit. But English phrasal verbs with the word come take on a whole new meaning in Filipino. There are no rules but to simply memorize them and understand how they are used in context.